Now I'm going to explain about fifth experiment, that is simulation of DFA. Here, to simulate the concept for single pass assembler, and we have to show that input string determined by an array of character, and DFA should start with set of accepting states, and this is the transition table, and the output of the given input string should be satisfied. And here is the program. And so after including all the header files, I have created a class named the DFA simulator. In that, initialized one new state, that is transition, and is equals to new int of array of 20, and array list, that is character of alphabet, and integer, that is of final states. And after initializing the first, that is in one public void build DFA, it will throw the exception, and buffer reader will be that is new buffer reader, and it will ask the that is reader that should please enter the number of alphabets in the alphabet set. So then we have to give alphabets in the output, and afterwards it will ask the user to enter the number of states in the set of DFA. So how many states if you want, you have to give the number of states, and afterwards I should enter the alphabets which we are in the given table, that is small a or small b, as that is in the question. So alphabet is equals to new array list of character. Then for int I is equals to 0, I less than alphabets dot length, that is I will be incremented, and alphabet dot add, that is alphabet dot character ID. And in the for loop I have given int s is equals to 0, that is s less than state set, and s will be incremented. And then it will ask how many rows I want to enter in the transition table. So then we have to give all the transitions which which they ask in this question. So in the for loop I have given int r is equals to 0, that is r less than alpha set, r will be incremented. Then final state will be hash set, that is integer. So I have already mentioned integers should be given for the final state. Then it will ask the enter the final states of DFA. Then after giving the final states, you should -2 to stop feeding the final states. So here I have initialized 2, that is not 2 is equals to minus, then final state. And then in the main class I have given buffer reader, that is new buffer reader, and enter the starting state, and input should be given, and it should given string should be ended with hash character. Then int index 1 is equals to alphabet. Then after giving the final state, after giving input will be the final states. If final state contains state, your input will be accepted by DFA, and otherwise the input string is rejected by the DFA. Now if we run this program, enter the number of alphabets in the alphabet set, that is 2. The number of states will be 4, and alphabets will be AB, and the row entries will be 2 1 2 3 2 4 and 2 1. Then after entering all the final states, we have to give 4, that is we are giving the input string in 4 numbers, so 4, and the string state will be starting state will be 1. Then input DFA should give input to the DFA, and it should end with the character hash because it should stop. So AABB hash, and final state after giving the input is 4. So as it is confirmed with DFA, it is verified. Thank you.